high-level tutorial for beginners. So if you're completely new to Go High Level, don't worry, this tutorial is designed for beginners. So Go High Level is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform built for agencies, businesses, consultants, and service providers. So anyone can use this. So basically what it does is that instead of juggling multiple software subscriptions, Go High Level combines like customer management, market automation, website building, appointment booking, and communication tools, everything into a single dashboard, and that's Go High Level. So by the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of the platform and know where everything is located. And let's get started. So first thing, you're going to get an account for Go High Level. So just go to the official website, GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the official website here, you have to create your account, and Go High Level is a subscription based platform. So you need to be subscribed in order to use this. And depending on your region, sometimes you might have the opportunity to go for a trial period first, and then you can like start make the go to for a subscription after the trial period. Depending on your region, you'll have this function, but you have to create an account. So if you already have an account, once you're on the landing page, their home page here, click on login and log in with your credentials if you already have an account, or you can simply click on the start trials if you have the trial option. So click on start a trial, and then you can create an account. Or simply you can use your Google account as well to create an account. That's fine. So just create an account, and once you've logged into your account, so after logging in, you will see the main navigation menu on your left hand side. So this is the screen that you will see on your left side menu here. This is where you will access every major feature. So on your left side menu, if you click on the dashboard, this shows an overview of your dashboard here. So as you can see, each of your dashboards and all your, at the moment it's nothing there, but yep, all the data this is where you will see. Okay, so you will see things like your dashboard and your conversations, your calendar events, your contacts, they are here, and the opportunities, payments. And if you scroll down, you will see, you'll get all the options here, like opportunities, where you'll see opportunities, payments, AI automation tools, marketing tools, all those things here. And you have the app marketplace as well, and all those things. So you will see all those informations here. Don't worry if it feels like overwhelming at first. You'll quickly become familiar with these sections as you keep on using the platform. So once you're on your dashboard here, the first thing that we're going to look into, or one of the most important feature, is the contact section. So on your left side menu here, if you click on the contact section here, this one here, so this is where all your leads and customers are stored. So as you can see here, so for example, something like this will be stored here. So you can add new contacts manually by clicking on the add contact option here, or you can import contacts from a CSV file by clicking on the import option here. And you can like organize them using tags, or filter the contacts by different, using the filter option here, you can filter them by different conditions. You can view their communication history by simply clicking on them. So if you click on the contact, then you will see their communication history and everything here. And think this as your central like customer database, where you will have access to your customers, all details, conversations, and everything. I mean contact details and everything. So the next thing is the conversation here. So the conversation tab here brings together all your customer communication in one place. So instead of checking like multiple apps, you can like manage SMS, emails, phone calls, social media messages, and even live chat conversations. So everything stays connected to each customer profile. So if you click on the customer profile, everything will be connected. So making it much easier to keep track of every interaction, regardless of which app you have used, but all the communications will be for each customer will be sorted up here, and you can just view it from these options here. And another one next we're going to look into is the calendars and appointments. So click on the calendars here. If you book meetings with client, the calendar feature is incredibly useful. So you can create booking calendars that allow customers to schedule appointments based on your availability. Okay, so once someone books a meeting, what Go High Level can automatically do is it send confirmation emails, send text reminders, and it updates your calendar. So this saves like a huge amount of manual work. It does all this by itself, so you just have to add it here, or by it will be synced to your Google Calendar. You can click on your Google or your other apps here as well, so you can just click on it and set it up, and you can set your working hours here as well, which is pretty good and saves a lot of time. And the next one that we're going to look into is the marketing tools. So if you click on the marketing section here, okay, so this is where you can create campaigns like using email marketing, SMS marketing, voicemail drops, or even broadcast messages. Like you can send promotions, newsletters, or even appointment reminders, or even like follow up messages to your audience from one place. So you just have to select like whatever the, if you want, you can connect your social media, like your social media platforms or your official social media platforms, you can connect it as well. And then you can schedule post as well. So if you're like, posting on social media, you can do that too. So you can connect your social media platforms, whatever you want to connect it, and you can schedule post here, and Go High Level will post it for you. And apart from that, you can also do campaigns and everything. So you just have to go through here, and you'll be able to run campaigns and all those things here. And you can also create recurring posts. You can do a bulk scheduling from Excel as well. So many things that you can do. And also another thing, one of Go High Level's biggest strength is the automation, so which is this one here. Click on the automation section here. So if you go to the automation workflow here, instead of performing repetitive tasks manually, you can build workflows that run automatically. Yes, for example, a customer fills out a form, they instantly receive a welcome email, a text message is sent a few minutes later, a task is created for your sales team, and the lead moves to the next stage of your sales pipeline. So once these automations are set up, they continue working in the background. So how you do that? You can simply type it here. You can use the AI. So what do you want to automate? Just tell them. It's like similar to ChatGPT. Just tell them and they will do it for you. Okay, so all the steps, everything, just type it in here and hit on send, and it will be set up for you. So the AI, inbuilt AI, will do the automations and everything for you, which is very cool and easy. And you have things like the funnels and websites here as well, like sites here. So you can also like include a website or a funnel builder here. Like you can create landing pages or like sales funnels, all these things. So because many beginners start by using like ready-made templates and then customize them with your own branding. So you can do that here. You can just click on new funnel and start creating one if you don't have one. And also you have things like opportunities. So the opportunities section helps you manage your sales process. So imagine like each lead moving through stages like new lead, contacted, or qualified, or proposal sent, and if something that's won, like client won or case or closed and won. So this visual pipeline makes it easier to see where every customer is in your sales journey. So you can just filter that. It makes you easy to see and filter and sort out and know who is the new and who has already been contacted or who has been qualified. So all those details will pop up here, and you can react or act based on that, so which is pretty good. And also another one is the reporting section. So if you go here, you will see there is a reporting section here. So this reporting section lets you track how your business is performing. So you can monitor your lead generations, your sales performances, appointment bookings, campaign results, even revenues, everything here. So these insights help you understand what's working and where improvements are needed. So you can simply by browsing through the reporting section, you can get an insight on all these things here. So, and basically that's the beginners overview and tutorial here. Although the platform offers a huge number of features, you don't like need to master everything on day one, especially being a beginner. So you can just start by learning the dashboard, adding context, creating your first calendar, and experimenting with simple automation. So as you become more comfortable, you can explore advanced features like funnels, workflows, and campaigns, and all those things.